in a sunny little garden. In a sunny little garden where the flowers gently sway, baby's tiny animal friends come out to laugh and play. A kitten with soft whiskers and a puppy full of cheer, a rabbit hopping happily and a duckling waddling near. The kitten purrs a melody as baby claps along. The puppy wiggles happily, their giggles make a song. The rabbit brings a carrot and shares it with a grin. The duckling splashes water, inviting baby in. Together they explore the world with wonder in their eyes, chasing butterflies that sparkle under bright blue skies. They dance around the daisies, making memories so sweet. Baby and animal friends where every moment's a treat. When the golden sun sets low and soft winds start to blow, baby hugs the furry friends. It's time to take it slow. With sleepy eyes and happy hearts, they rest without a peep in the garden's gentle magic. Together they fall asleep.
Like, share, and subscribe. Pucker Pop TV.